Hey y'all, so in the other video I discussed the toggle, how to make one, and the uses for it. However, I forgot to show you how to use it for a tripod, made simple. So in this video we're going to do that. All you need is 3 sticks, hanging cord about 6 feet with a bow line on one end, stop knot on the other, and of course a toggle. So what you do is you take your 3 sticks, take your bow line, and then wrap it. Take the toggle, go through it. You want to do this about 2 or 3 times. Wrap it around, take it through. And this is just a temporary thing. If you're making a temporary camp, there are better methods to do this if you want to make this a more permanent thing. But for what we're doing, this should be just fine. There we go. I'll do one more just to be on the safe side, so it'll be 4 altogether. Then you got your 3 sticks. Got this dangling down at the bottom. And in order to make this so it's at the right length that you need for your tripod, so as you can see, the toggle is just on the ground. All you have to do is just wrap it around a few times to get your desired length. Take your bush pot. There you go. Be nice and simple and easy. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. It's really that easy, and this will work just fine for what you're needing it for. This isn't an empty bush pot. I do have stuff in there for my gear. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Until next time, y'all stay safe and enjoy the woods. Take care.